YouTube, you know we got some Trueno. We love our Trueno out here. We got Tranky Funky. Tranky Funky. Tranky Funky. I didn't know what it's about, but let's go crazy. I know Trueno's gonna go crazy anyway. So. Hey, hit him up. It's already 5. Bro, he doing his hair in every video, bro. He got a girl doing his hair in every video. I fuck with it though. I fuck with it. Speaking of, I gotta do my hair.
Si lo guacho piden rap, entonces.
Hey.
Yeah, vamos again, back to the game. Los guachos saben quién pide rap, le digo ten, yeah, y por la ven. Tana no me ven porque soy el que maneja el fucking tren del tren, I got it, what do you need, I got it. No se me compare que acá ya somos.
Not me, nigga, not me. You gotta pay me at least a band to get into this club. With Trueno, you gotta pay me a band, brother. A band each.
Cruzando los mares, llegando a los lugares, desde Argentina para el mundo, que el party no pare. Tanto flow que me piden basta, soy la luz pa' mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todo el ritmo como si fuese un tanto flow que me piden basta, soy la luz pa' mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos como si fuese un mami, somos la luz que no se apaga, solamente si estás tú. Demos una vuelta en el hood, vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la.
Hit him up. How do you get in? Oh, they paid the little $50.
Tranky, funky, whoop-de-whoop, me siento ODB, smoking Brooklyn Zoo, yo, tranky, funky, whoop-de-whoop, le vamos a dar la vuelta al mundo, todo va por mi pew, yo, tranky, funky, 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 soy un shock once in your head como Mob Deep, tranky, funky, whoop-de-whoop, y ni siquiera me lo pienso, cuestión de actitud, yo tengo tanto flow que me piden basta, soy la luz pa' mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash master, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todo el ritmo como si fuese un, yeah.
Michael. That is girl, bro. That girl owns every video, bro. That same girl. Watch him. He gonna go talk to that girl now. Watch. Where she at? Okay. Okay, he didn't talk to her. Okay, my fault. Alright, if y'all like the video, like, subscribe, and I'll sign. Deuces.